Two people did the same problem but got two answers. This person got -14. This person got +16. Who did it right? Well, it all depends on who followed the order of operations. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside of grouping symbols first. Then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. Let's take a look at their work and see who did what. On this first one, if you started by adding 5 plus 3, you'd get 10 minus 6 divided by 2 times 8. Then they did the 6 divided by 2 and got 10 minus 3 times 8. Then they did the 3 times 8, got 10 minus 24, and that's how they got -14. This person also started with the parentheses, got the same thing in the second line, but next they did 10 minus 6. That gets them to the 4, so they have 4 divided by 2 times 8. Then they did the 4 divided by 2, that gets them to 2. 2 times 8 gets them to 16. All right, so since they both did the same thing to start, we have to look at the second line. This person did division as their second step. This person did subtraction as their second step. This is violating the order of operations. So this is correct. The correct answer is -14, not +16. Now, try this problem.